In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate your Outlook emails with Monday.com, making your workflow more efficient and streamlined. First, let's begin by logging into your Monday.com account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the workspace or board where you need to set up your integration. This is important because the integration will directly influence the selected board's functionalities. Now that you're in the right location, let's access the integrations page. Look for the Integrate button located at the top right of your board. Clicking on this button will open the integrations library. Here, use the search bar to find Outlook. Depending on your needs, you can choose Outlook Calendar or Outlook Email from the available options. This helps tailor the integration to suit your specific workflow, whether it's synchronizing events or emails with tasks on Monday.com. Next, it's time to connect your Microsoft account, which is a crucial part of the process. Click on Connect to link your Microsoft Outlook account and then sign in with your Microsoft credentials. Make sure to grant the necessary permissions for Monday.com to access your calendar or emails. This step ensures seamless communication between the two platforms and is essential for the integration to work correctly. Now let's set up automation within the integration. You have several options here: syncing Monday.com tasks to your Outlook calendar, creating Monday.com items from new Outlook emails, or sending Outlook reminders when tasks are due on Monday.com. Choose the automation that best fits your workflow. Once you've selected an option, you'll need to configure it. Select the board or individual items you want to sync, and if applicable, choose the correct Outlook calendar folder. Don't forget to set triggers such as when a task is created, its due date approaches, or its status changes. Once everything is set up, it's time to test the integration. Create a test task in Monday.com or send a trial email from Outlook. Check to see if it appears in the linked app correctly. If the integration isn't working as expected, you might need to tweak the settings further. This could include adjusting date and time settings, reminders, or how fields are mapped between the two services. Finally, use this integration in your daily routine. If you've chosen to sync your Outlook calendar, you'll see Monday.com tasks alongside your meetings and events. If you've set up email to task automation, important Outlook emails will be turned into actionable tasks on Monday.com, and automated notifications will keep you updated with reminders for upcoming tasks directly in Outlook. Lastly, manage and troubleshoot any issues by returning to the integrations page if tasks aren't syncing correctly. It might be necessary to reconnect your Outlook account or adjust automation rules to fine-tune your workflow. With everything running smoothly, this integration can significantly enhance your productivity and efficiency.